In this video, I'm gonna explain the endpoint curation. Currently, we have LD50 data, and this unit is milligram per kilogram. Milligram is the dose of the chemical, and the kilogram is the body weight of the animal. So these currently, this is the unit, but actually, when we calculate the feature, maybe it can be any 2D descriptor or fingerprint like this. In this case, we are calculating these from one single molecule. And so it's better to convert the unit of LD50 in to the unit more like considering the number of the molecule, and that is mole unit. So mole unit is this. If we collect the number of molecule as much as this number, then the molecule will be this much weight. That's the definition of the molecular weight. So actually, based on this weight, we can find the number of molecules. So we're gonna convert endpoint unit into this because of this reason. We are calculating feature from single molecule. And then we're gonna convert it into minus log base 10. It's because we are taking log scale because LD50 error is quite sensitive to when they were small. Let's say LD50 was was 0.9 in the case, and if the prediction value is 10, it's 10 times error. It's not just 9.1 error. And if LD50 value, so I'm saying this is the experimental value and this is prediction value, and let's say experimental value was 120 and my prediction was like a 200 and the error is 80, but this is not that bad. Well, not good, but this is better than this error because 0.9 LD50 value means it's very toxic. Compared to this, it's 10 times toxic, much toxic than this, but this time this is not really like that. It's well almost 2 times higher, but this error is worse than this error. So that's why we're using log scale. So it's more sensitive to the lower scale compared to the larger number because toxicity is quite sensitive in the lower if the LD50 value is low. So we are using log scale to sensitively predict lower value. And also we want to make the data have similar to the normalized distribution, and so we're taking log scale for that reason, and we're taking minus because low LD50 means high toxicity, and well their direction is the opposite, so it's better to take a minus than high PLD50 means high toxicity value. So we can align the direction of the value with the severity of the toxicity. And so this is the reason that we are actually need to convert unit of the endpoint and also convert them into the minus log scale. So this will be the calculation. We're going to take this value and then divide it by the molecular weight. And the unit will be like this. So we cancel out the gram and we'll have millimole per kilogram. And here milli means 10 to the minus 3. So we can calculate we can successfully convert it into this way by dividing this value by the molecular weight and then multiply this 10 to the minus 3. Then we'll convert this LD50 value with this unit and then take a minus log base 10 to get this. So we're going to do that on the code. So I read the file and I take 1586 molecules now. And in order to conversion, I need a molecular weight. So I'm gonna use descriptors in rdkit and then calculate molecular weight for each molecule. So I calculate molecular weights for every molecules like this, and then this is my final code. So I just divide the LD50 value with the molecular weight and then multiplies 10 to the minus 3 and then give a minus log base 10. Then I have a PLD50 value. So that's all for the curation, and it's important to understand the reason behind the unit conversion and endpoint conversion to the minus log. So with this, we are really ready to develop the model.